Yeah, I started a TikTok ad about 9 hours ago. It's a trial ad because for the first time I wanted to test run the effect of two call to action buttons in one ad. And so far, I've seen for sure the call to action button that yields better results. And so I want to show you so you see how this ad is performing and the call to action button you might want to start trying in your TikTok ad. So let's get in there and see what it looks like. Alright, so I'm now in my TikTok studio. So I get to the promote button. So when it opens, we get to the dashboard because that's where we find all our ads. So I click the dashboard. And so you can see this ad that is active, or if I put it to active, let me go this way, put it to active, you see this is the ad that is active here. Okay, so I'm going to open this ad. Alright, so there's the ad I'm running at the moment. Okay, at the moment I've spent 1,244 naira 28 kobo. Okay, it's 10 hours now, right? Then if you see here, you say cost per button click. Let me zoom in so you see it better. Cost per button click 25 naira 92 kobo. Okay, now cost per landing page. Now this button click, because I told you I'm using two call to action button. So one call to action button is button click, the other one is landing page. Okay, so the second one is 155 naira 53 kobo. Okay, so if you look this way, let me zoom in this way, you'll see the two call to action buttons. Sorry, now can you see this one, contact us? Okay, that's the button click. Then the other one is landing page. And obviously from here you see that contact us button has gotten 48 clicks, while the landing page button, which is the ad button, the button I use for the ad itself, has gotten only 8 clicks. Okay, so with this you can see that the contact us button, which is a lead button that is not directly connected to the ad, is fetching us more results. Okay, so if you check further, you can see the details of this ad, the performance of this ad. Total watch time is about 43%. That's a bit good, right? Almost 50%. So people are watching this video for over 4 minutes. Can you see? Now normally ad is not supposed to be up to this. Remember I told you it's a trial ad. Okay, but for it to be watched for up to 4 minutes tells you that this ad is doing quite well. Okay, so that's it. Now I want to end this ad because I don't want it to continue running. I want to now run a different ad that will convert better, right? So I'm going to end it. This is how to end your ad. If you think that the ad is not performing well, or you need to adjust something in the ad, this is how to do it. Just come down here. Okay, you see end promotion, just click on end promotion, and then go ahead to end the promotion if you are sure you want to end the promotion. Okay, so what will happen is that they will refund the balance on that promotion to your account, so you can use it to run other promotions. So in a short while the money will be refunded. Okay, now usually they will ask you the question, why do you want to end the promotion, but I can't see it coming up here. All right, so that's it. Okay, so that's it. So you have seen the call to action button that yields better result. I did a video on how to create this lead form button, that's the call to action button that will generate you leads even while you are not running ad. People see your video and they seem to like it, then there is a call to action button there that they can click and then get in touch with you, what you have to offer, or begin to have a chat with you. Okay, so that's where we'll be ending this video. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you have not joined my TikTok ad mastery class, this is your best opportunity to do so. Go ahead and join the class so you benefit more from what we have got to share.